Everyone, today we're going to be playing Minecraft today. And today, we're going to be playing some Skywars today. We're going to be playing Skywars today. I'm going to be using a brand new account today for wrong reasons that I'm not going to share. But this video is just going to be a Skyblock video today. Just regular Sky Wars. I meant Sky Wars. I was sticking to Skyblock for a minute, and then I was sticking to Skyblock at the same time. So I'm not really no. This video is just gonna be just like a Rex. It's just a Skyblock video only. I'm getting I'm starting to like Minecraft a lot more. So I might start with just recording Minecraft a lot more. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and get this armor. One good tip, get all the armor out of the chest first when you play Skywars, and then equip the armor and get the rest of the tools. That's what I do. Give me a chest, give me arrows from a chest, but not a bow. What's the correlation in that? Okay, a sword. Okay, alright guys, we're off to a good start, in the Skywars. Ooh, a power 2 bow. Take that. A potion of swiftness, a golden apple, more oak. Ah! Bruh, he snuck me. He snuck me when I had this with this potion. Disrespect to the duck. I am the duck. If any of you guys have Discord and you would like to add me, I'll put that in the comment section. Because oh, okay. Get a stone. Go there. Smoke. Okay. Sword. Stone. Golden carrots. Okay, a potion of regeneration. Said that the offhand didn't come out with this. Wee! I'm launching eggies. Now die. I'm gonna be super careful. Guys, where did he go? Where did he go? I don't trust myself jumping. This is good. Thank you for the free X. And the lava bucket as well. Oi, mate. Die to the bloody creeper. Let's get that. Don't mind if I just, just hit you off the edge. No big deal. Let's get back to my lava. Ooh, Poseidon's Hide. Bow of power 5. 4, I meant power 4. Sticky bomb. That's deadly. I gotta be careful. I wanna get a Skywars win. So I got one win. Or ever playing. Okay, that was a whole 4 minutes. I got so scared. Okay, Ender Pearls. More generation. Potions. It's all yours. It's all yours. Get away. Get luck, good. Next day. That's a potion! No! 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 Get away from me! Tommy in the style, Tommy in the style, Tommy in the style. Go! Go! No! 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 Oh my god! Thank you for that. Thank you. No! No! I don't wanna die, 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 I don't wanna die. Go, go, go. Oh my god, I won. Oh my god, I won. I won. GG. GG, I won. That was clutch. That was clutch. Second win. Second win in Skyblock. As you can see in the solo stats. Right there in the corner. You can see right there. Second win. I think he or she fell off of the map. That was a good game though. I was running for my life. I did not want to die. I had a good loot. I'm gonna start fighting. But then I thought my hunger was all out. That was just bad. I'm gonna go for the chest first. I felt like an MLG, but it wasn't. What did Apple me and my speed and stuff? What's up? Let's up. I always thought the snowballs in the egg were useless until I actually started using them. Mogo and carrots. Okay. Regeneration potions. Already. What am I gonna put this? Right there. In the pearl. Gimme, gimme, gimme. It's now mine. More ender pearls. Don't mind if I do. And Mogo and apples. That's pretty good. Started out pretty well so far. How did somebody loot this chest over here? But they didn't loot the chest over there. Don't mind if I just go ahead and jump over. No. Oh. Let's see what person hit in. That was some garbage loot. I'm in Discord DM. You wanna go? 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 Because I got trouble aiming at me, I'm scared to fight. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Why you scared, little baby? No! Oh. That didn't really go as planned. It sure didn't. Just bridge on over. He's aiming all the good loot and stuff. Okay, guys, let's see if I have any luck winning again. I'm playing this server legit almost daily. I think I should put the IP in the description. So you can see the IP right there. I never played this map before. What is the music map? I never played a map on here called music. Even though it's only been like, what, 2 days and stuff like that. It's only been like, what, 2 days? The music still. claim the rest of my items. I'll continue with our day. Maybe somebody might get murdered by me. Okay, where's chest? Oh, Archer's cap. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay, steak. That can be my other food source. Stone. Okay, fire resistance boosting. Fire resistance. Yeah, I think this food does really do down. Oh, I thought I was a player. Is that a protection potion? What am I do? Call me. Why did I go like Technobleed? New server. What am I talking now? I'm legit Tommy in it in duck suit. I'm gonna be ending the video off soon. It's been 11 minutes. So I'm gonna do like maybe two more games, and then the video's gonna end. Two more games and the video's gonna end. Somebody said I suck at PvP. I also suck at. Okay, let's just. We think for a second that hotkey's gonna come in handy. Turns out I don't even know any hotkey. I forgot my. What's it said? Give me a sword. Oh, okay. I have no clue what to do with those. Them. Something. I don't know if they're just used for this or they're used for something different. Like I don't know. Yeah, I'm not gonna say that word. Family friendly. I'm being family friendly. Good channel. This is a good channel. My true channel. Like I said, how did you clutch that? How did who clutch what? Might go attack the guy over here. I'm cracking with some TNT. Okay, you got some gold carrots. Bruh, you got a bow. You enjoy eggs. Oh my god. When I think that I almost hit him off. Wait, what? Ah! Why does he look like he had the quacky skin on? I got a Discord DM from who? I said, you. I think I could go over there. Let's laser him with some TNT. It's the last game. You